Guys, Enduro Guys IA here. I figured I'd show off my Royal Enfield since it's Christmas Eve and it's 60 degrees outside, which is very uncommon here. So here we got the J&D Customs Cafe fairing. I think it's Stinger. It's been a while. 2-into-1 exhaust. Obviously I didn't buy these, painted them. MK Designs. Subframe, basically tail tidy more or less, with that LED they supplied. Just figure I'd give an overview of this bike now that I've gotten it a lot further along down the road. I'm also waiting on some Diablo clip-on handlebars. I don't really like the way of the look of the stock. And I'm also waiting on some Fork Gators for it as well. Just some views of it. Good silhouette. And then we'll go back into my garage here. And another addition to my garage, I got rid of the BMW. This one's all stored away for winter. Didn't feel like messing with the battery on this one. Royal Enfield's a lot easier. This is a 2016 KTM 1290 Super Adventure. Now, I got rid of the BMW R1200 RS just due to the fact that I like to ride off-road, and the BMW was only about as good for gravel. So, here's a Tusk front fender kit. I already had the fog lights installed a KTM skid plate. It's got a Touratech top box, the OEM side cases. Does have the heated seat and the passenger heated seat as well. Did come with a Garmin. The Garmin's sitting inside. Not leaving it in the garage over winter. Heated grips, cruise control, 8-gallon fuel tank. It's got the Dunlop Trail Max tires on it. They're about 75% tread, but I just figured I'd show off this bike. Haven't taken any videos of it yet, primarily because it's winter already. So have a good Christmas, everybody.